Welcome back to another video. Today we got 5 items you could get with this 30% off coupon. As you guys can see right there on that coupon. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals. Alright, first of all on the top, it says PO here, super coupon, Harbor Freight tools, quality tools at ridiculous low prices. Coupon says CR2R2 page insert for more coupons. So clearly this coupon came in like a magazine, like a coupon book or something like that, or some sort of mail-in brochure. It says 30% off any item under $10, limit 5. It says valid now through 10/27/19. You got at the bottom there, you got coupon code 537144760004. So basically any item under $10 you can pretty much get this 30% off 30% off. So you can get a total of 5 items and under $10 each item. So alright, let's go ahead and get started with the 5 items you could get with this 30% off coupon. Before we get started, I do have 2 more videos I did about this 5 items you can get with this 30% off coupon. Actually, there's a lot of items you could get with the 30% off, just we don't know about. The first item that we got with this 30% off coupon is the shop towels. Yeah, we got some, let's see here, we got some shop towels. It says works like a clean cloth. It says 55 towels. So these are going to be your shop towels, your for your oil changes and cleaning your hands and all that. Even for the house, if you're going to be using them for cleaning around the house, you can use these. So definitely recommend these for you guys. Let's see here, we got an item number. Actually we don't have an item number. It says made in the USA. We don't have an item number. Okay. It says auto, shop, and home. So you can use it for all those. Alright, that is the first item there. Great item to have, around the house for cleaning. Alright, the next item that we have is something that we can use for cleaning too. It's actually, we can use it for the vehicle, especially when you're detailing. Alright, these are the microfiber towels. These are not the cheap ones, the ones that you get for free at Harbor Freight. These are the little bit more expensive. They're just under $10. So you guys can see they do have like a Lamborghini painted there. It says item number 63359. These are a little bit better. You can feel for automotive, restaurants, home, janitorial, dry, detail, wax, polish. It says 12 packs, so you got 12 in a pack. Scratch free, lint free, non-abrasive, absorbent, high quality, professional cleaning towels, and that is the brand Grants or whatever. Lux Finish Microfiber Towels for superior cleaning, polishing, and 16x16 premium. You got the same thing on the back, and then you got a little hole so you can feel the microfiber towels. So these are the microfiber towels. Gonna be doing some waxing and some washing the truck this weekend, so we're gonna be using that. Alright, another item that you could get is this Powerbank. If you guys don't know what this is a battery basically, and you can charge your phone with this. However, this is the smallest one they have. This is a 2000 mAh. So don't expect, if you got a newer phone, a modern phone like an iPhone or a Samsung, the newest Galaxy or the newest iPhone, the chances are this thing's not going to charge your phone. However, if your phone's dying and you're out there in the middle of nowhere and you still need a battery, this phone will get your battery going for at least a few more hours, definitely a lot more hours. than what you can have left. This will fill up your battery at about half 50% of what you currently of what your battery is. Yeah, because if most phones today, they're 4000 mAh. As you guys know, I don't know if you guys know that, but most phones are 4000 mAh. This is 2000 mAh, so this is about half. And this is really small. It'll get you, if you leave this in the vehicle and it's charged, it'll get you out of emergency situation there. So it's a good item to have, not necessarily to charge your item all the time. I just did a video. I'll see if I can link the video up above of the bigger power bank that Harbor Freight does sell, and that one does charge your phone like about 2 or 3 times. So that one's a really good one, but this one's more compact. This one's more for the emergency side of things. You got pocket size, dependable, and power on the go. So I will be making a video on this, see how long it lasts and all that, see how many phones we can charge. So I will be making a video on that. So this is another item you guys could get. Alright, the next item that we have, basically I already had this item. I just needed a different model or a different size. So and I already opened it because I needed it for work. I was actually on the field when I bought all these items. I was in the field working, and I needed these this V-jaw groove joint pliers. And I already opened them. As you could see it, they're kind of open already. So I did need it for work because I needed to take apart something in the vehicle for the pump for the spraying, and so I did open these already. And basically that's what Harbor Freight's good for. You know, you're out there in the field and you need something real quick, you don't want to spend so much, you could go to Harbor Freight, pop up your coupons, and there you go, you can get yourself whatever you need. These are the high performance V-jaw groove joint pliers, 12-inch, says ultimate grip design. One of the reasons why I bought this design specifically is because it has the V-jaw. I do have the older ones that I have. I'll take them out of the package. However, this is item number 64463. If you guys want to look at that, you guys could get it. This is under 10 bucks, by the way. Alright, these are my old ones. As you can see, they are beat up. I use them for drains. I use them for all kinds of stuff. So this is not really a review or comparison. This is dirty. This is not rust, by the way. This is just dirty stuff that I used. The difference between these is that you see the grip there. These are straight going down, and this is more open for like bigger leverage. So that's the reason why I bought these. So I needed something like this for my work, for my vehicle, my work truck. Anyways, that's another item there. Another item you guys could get with that coupon. This is a lot less than 10 bucks, but still you can get something like this. And if you guys haven't seen my reviews for this, yeah, these are really nice screwdrivers here. I would definitely recommend you guys watching that video. I do demonstrate what these are capable of. These are about, I would say, about $3 or $4. So these are a lot less than 10 bucks. So you can get 30% off of this. Yeah, I'll see if I can link the video up above, so if you guys want to look at the review on this. Definitely recommend these items for you. Here's the receipt. These, I already had them. The products that I bought is the rest of them. So I did buy 4 items. Let's see here. Alright, see if I'm in frame here. It says V-jaw groove joint pliers. It says $9.99. Outdoor price $7. You got the 2000 mAh mobile battery. Regular price is $6.99. Out the door price with the 30% off is $4.89. Then yeah, I got the toolbox shop towels. That's the roll. Price is $2.49. Out the door price is $1.74. And then I got the microfiber cloth. Regular price is $8.99. Out the door price is $6.29. I don't know if you guys can look at there. It says discount 30% off. Coupon number tells you the coupon number right there, which is the coupon that I just posted before this video. It says I paid $21.63. You got 8.6 sales tax, so it became $19.92 and $21.63 out the door. So that is definitely a great deal. Definitely recommend all these items for you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for the video of that power bank, and if you guys want to look at one of these items, I can link them up above and let you guys know how they did. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to, oh, by the way, forgot one more thing. I did get my free item. I always get my free items. It says free item discounts, blue 5x7 tarp. So you always get those tarps. These are great tarps. Anyways, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.